I made a video the other day showcasing platforms that enables you to use Seedance 2.5 for free. So some persons in my comment section were like, I should do more of Seedance 2.5 kind of videos. So guys, on that note, in today's video, I will be introducing you to another platform that enables you to use Veo 3.1 for free and Seedance 2.5. So if you're one content creator who is always looking forward to using Seedance 2.5 for free or using Veo 3.1 Lite for free, I think this is one of the best videos that you should watch. So if this sounds like a video you love to watch, this is me urging you to watch it from start to finish. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share this video. If you have a video request, do not hesitate to drop it in my comment section. Of course, I am always active. I will reply or make a video in response to that. So without wasting any time, we will do it together. I will use my second phone as my screen recorder and then we proceed. So at this point, I'll go ahead and turn on my screen recorder. So this is it. My screen recorder is on. So because my screen recorder is on, I will go straight to my Google. I am going straight to my Google. You may want to use any browser of your choice. So here on my Google, I will go ahead and type, Veo 3 AI.oi. Veo3ai.oi. Now I've gone ahead to type that and it brought me to this interface. So this is the one I will click on. I'll click on this particular one. Now I've gone ahead to click on it and at this point it has brought me to this interface. One thing about this platform you need to know is this: you have to follow this video so that you have the same results that I will be getting. If not, you may have something different. So if you look here, if you look below here, you will see image to video. You will as well see text to video. Now I've noticed one thing over time. I've noticed that most of my subscribers are finding it difficult, like they're having this challenge of seeing a platform that will enable them to animate their image. So text to video is not really their problem, but image to video is what they are finding difficult to do. So on that note, let's go ahead and click on image to video. Now at this point, I have gone ahead to click on image to video. Now it has brought me to this interface. This is what the interface looks like. Now in order for us to proceed, if you look up here, you will see start for free. So at this point, I've gone ahead to click on that start for free. Once you click start for free, this is what you will see. You will see options. They will tell you to sign in with these three options. So to cut the long story short, I will sign in using my Google account. So I've gone ahead to click on sign in with Google account. I'll go ahead and choose my Google account. Now I like saying this and I'll keep saying it over and over again. You see all these platforms that we are always testing, please have a special Google account for them. Personally, I don't use all my Google accounts for them. So here it has brought us to this interface. If we check here, you will see description. Now if you scroll down, you see settings. Under settings, we have the models. So here, if you go ahead and click on this arrow next to Veo 3.1 Lite, by default it is in Veo 3.1 Lite. So you will see the models that are available here. We have Veo 3.1 Lite, we have Veo 3.1, we have Seedance 2 Mini, we have Gemini O Mini, we have Seedance 2.0 Fast, we have Seedance 2.2, we have Seedance 2.5. Guys, I don't want to waste your time. Let us go straight to it. So first thing I'll do now, First thing I will do is for me to go ahead and copy my prompt. I'll come to my notes and then copy the prompts that I have already. So here is it. This is my prompt. Okay, let me copy that again. So when copying your prompts, please ensure you're copying with the right things. Ensure you don't copy more than you should. So this is it. I've gone ahead to copy my prompt. I'll come back here to the platform. Now I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. Now I've pasted my prompt. If you check here, you see images. So on this platform, you can add up to 2 images per time. Now I'll go ahead and click on upload. Now I'll go ahead and click on photos and videos. It will take me to my gallery. So at this point, it has brought me to my gallery. I will go ahead and choose my photo. Now I've gone ahead to choose my photo. If you scroll down here, you will see the aspect ratio. You see the aspect ratio. So I'll go ahead and put it in 16:9. You may want to use 16:9. You may want to use 9:16. Now I've gone ahead to put it in 16:9. If you check here, the duration is 8 seconds. I think this is fair enough. The duration is 8 seconds. Now, if you check the resolution, you notice that the resolution we have 720p, we have 1080p, we also have 4K. So I will leave it at 720p. Trust me, this 720p is not bad at all. Now, if you check here, you see that we will be charged 6 credits. We will be charged 6 credits for this generation. And if you check this generate video, you will notice that it is highlighted. So this is for View 3.1 Lite. Now, if you want to generate with Seedance, let's try Seedance. So if you want to generate with Seedance, if you check here, this is Seedance 2 mini. If you go ahead and click on it, that particular one, they've given 60% off. Now, if you go ahead and click on it, if you come here, you notice that you'll be charged 19 credits. Now, if you want to be charged something lesser, can you see this duration? Duration is at 8 seconds. If you want to be charged something lesser, this is what you will do. Now, if you look at this resolution is in 720. If you want to be charged lesser, this is what you should do. Now, at this point, you go ahead and put it in 480. Now, once you put it in 480, the credits will reduce. Now, you can go ahead and reduce the duration. You understand? You go ahead and reduce the duration. Now, once you reduce the duration, you will see that this place will be highlighted. This generates video will be highlighted. That was why I told you that you have to watch this video from start to finish. Those persons, let me tell you something. Those persons who just got the name of the AI tool and they ran to go and start generating, they will come back to my comment section to tell me that they cannot use Seedance for free. But this is you who have watched to this point, you'll be able to use Seedance for free. So at this point, our video is almost ready. So I'll go ahead and hit generate. Now I've gone ahead to hit generate, and here it says security verification. This security verification is very, very important. So it's not something that you can skip, because the platform wants to be sure that you are human. You understand? So you go ahead and click on it. Now, once you click on it, it will begin to generate for you on its own. Now, if you scroll down like this, I don't know if you saw that it says video generation tags. If you scroll down, you see that it is already generating our video for us in Seedance. And if you're a faceless content creator, if you're a content creator on this platform, you know that Seedance is one of the hot cake like right now. If you want to generate using other models, you can as well come here, try it out, reduce the resolution as well as the duration, and trust me, you will get what you want. So at this point, let's wait for it to get done generating for us so that we can watch the video together. At this point, guys, our video is ready. So if you want to download it, all you have to do is for you to click on these three dots down here. Once you click on it,
Why?
did you see that? You go ahead and click on download. Now once you click on download, it will download into your gallery. Now let me tell you one secret. Let me tell you one secret. I'm not a bad person. If you want to generate more, if you want to generate more using this Seedance, guys, do well to click on this icon. Can you see this is your profile? You click on it, and once you click on it, let me click on it. Once you click on it, below here you will see sign out. You will see sign out. Now once you click on sign out, it will sign you out. Now you repeat the process. Log in with another Google account. Once you log in with another Google account, you'll be given the leverage for you to generate more videos. You can repeat the process, repeat the process, repeat the process for as many emails that you have. That's just it. So this particular one is for those persons who have watched up to this point. For those persons who did not even watch up to this point, though, thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.